Helix, look like you redeemed yourself. Psych, you still suck. But you managed to get here right after I got finished with my rant. So, you know, you're doing a little bit better, but you still suck. Because I'm pretty sure this guy just threw this box at my door and ran down the stairs. But I'm grateful that it's here. It's here on time, I think. And regardless of that, I'm ready to put this video card to some use. So, unboxing video coming soon. Alright, look out. Right, so thanks to FedEx being here at the last minute, it's time to do this unboxing. So I don't have a knife on me right now. I'm not using no kitchen knives. And my other knife, I think, is outside of my car. I don't feel like getting it. So I got these keys. And trust me, keys are just as good. I used to use this for like all types of junk at my old job. So anyway, so go ahead and do this unboxing. There we go. Well, need some light. Let there be light. Alright. Got your bubble wrap. At least we know it's safe, right? Thanks, Newegg. Alright. Some grocery, yeah, I know Newegg trying to branch out, but I didn't know they had teamed up with Blue Apron, but, yeah, cool. Guess I can redeem this and, save some money or something. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. I guess I'll have to blur that out. I don't know if I'm supposed to show y'all that, but whatever. Alright, so here she is. Oh yeah. About to get some work done. That good stuff. Bet she purrs like a thundercat. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Time to upgrade your boy. Upgrade, man. Look at that. Yeah, I would have got the 1080, but like I said, I have price range, you know, and sometimes you gotta stick with it, especially right now. I'm pretty much trying to self-sustain. I'm not even really like, I'm trying to start my own business and everything, and you know, it's like, gotta be careful with that cash flow. Can't be splurging, but this was a necessity. I had to have it. So anyways, let's go ahead and take this plastic off. If I can get these keys right in my fingers. Alright. Now, I know some people are all super careful, but I'm a clumsy dude. So this is probably as careful as I can be with this type of stuff. So move my little notepad out the way. Alright. So let's open the box. And yeah, I got MSI. I mean, honestly, I don't think it matters if it's Gigabyte, MSI, none of that stuff to me. Only reason I got MSI is because MSI is what I'm rocking. It's pretty much my whole desktop right now with MSI. So I might as well, I don't want to be all over the place with it, so I might as well, you know, keep going. They haven't done me wrong yet. Thank you for choosing MSI. And this thing is massive. God, I hope it. Boy, get that. I have the power. But anyways, before I drop this thing and completely break it, knowing my luck, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess get ready to install it, and I will post a video once I actually do some performance tests and once I actually see what this thing can actually do, and I'll let you guys know. I mean, I'm gonna be doing it all. I'm in the Skyrim modding, so it's definitely gonna help boost the graphics with that and everything else, you know, let's plays and all that good stuff. And I got For Honor for free, so it's gonna be good. And I think I'm probably gonna get Near Automata in the Steam Workshop, so this will help, you know, definitely play that at max settings. So anyways, alright guys, unboxing. It's your boy Helix, and this is the GeForce GTX 1070. Alright, thank you guys for checking out the unboxing. Alright, I'll be back with more content. Till then, live your life to the fullest. Alright, peace.